Welcome to my micro bakery journey. I'm just at the beginning of this exciting adventure, starting a bakery right from my home. There's so much to figure out, applying for permits, licenses, recipe testing, building a website, tracking expenses, and everything in between, and I can't wait to share each step with you. Starting something like this can feel overwhelming, but it's also so rewarding. I'll take you behind the scenes as I navigate all the little details, from perfecting recipes to learning how to manage a small business. I'm learning as I go, and I hope these videos can answer some of your questions or even inspire you to start your own bakery journey. Whether you're here for tips, ideas, or just to see what it's like to build a micro bakery from scratch, I am so excited to have you along for the ride. Let's figure this out together. Here's to the start of something amazing. Let's get baking. Hi everyone, I am excited to share an update with you. I know it's been a while since I posted, but I wanted to let you know what's been going on. So what you just heard and saw was water seeping through the floors in my kitchen. Literally the day after I launched my micro bakery, I woke up to water all over my kitchen floors. Turns out we had a slab leak that went into the kitchen as well as the master bathroom. We're able to get the leak controlled. However, damage had already been done to the cabinets, the island, and the floors. So we had to hire a contractor and pretty much had to go through an entire kitchen renovation, which took about 3 months. So that's the reason why I haven't been active on YouTube. I haven't posted anything. I'm so sorry about that. But I'm here today to update you, let you know what's been going on with that, and also kind of fill you in on how the business has been. As soon as the kitchen was completed, I moved back in, had to reorganize and reset myself for the business. I did a soft relaunch for Mother's Day, which went really well, and I've kind of just been going since then, having porch pickups every other weekend, and it's been a lot of fun. In this video, I'm going to go ahead and update you on what's kind of new with the business, as well as what I'm looking forward to the next couple of months. I do have some exciting news to share with you. One thing that I want to share is that I did make a big investment not too long ago. I decided to buy a mixer, and I did some research and decided on this specific mixer. I absolutely love it. It has been such a game changer for me because making and mixing sourdough by hand was taking a toll on my wrists and my hands, but this mixer is amazing. It's a spiral mixer, and it has different attachments, and I will go more in depth on this mixer in another video, but I'm able to make 6 batches of sourdough at a time, and that has really been a game changer for me. I recently made the most sourdough ever, which was 36 loaves in 1 weekend, and that was really great. I also invested in a speed rack, which has been a huge help with our cookie baking system. And I'll talk more about that, like I said, in a future video. Some exciting news that I'd like to share with you is that I recently started selling at a local farmer's market. I started on June 29th, and I've been there every other weekend since. It has been such an amazing experience. I've enjoyed getting to know the vendors and the customers that come through the booth. They've just been so sweet and gracious and kind, and just really excited about what we're offering. I've had a couple repeat customers who've come back every time we're there. It has been such an experience, and I'm so glad that I did it. And I will be sharing that whole process with you in a future video as well. Because of the market, I have really pushed myself to start recipe testing to offer a variety of items, not just for the market, but also for the porch pickups that I have. And we've been making some delicious items. I've been baking so much bread, experimenting with different flavors. Recently, we've been rotating in our jalapeno cheddar flavor, also a cinnamon raisin bread, an Italian urban cheese bread, and of course, we always offer our most sold bread flavor, which is our signature classic sourdough loaf. The sourdough is definitely one of our top sellers, and our customers seem to really enjoy the variety of flavors that we offer. And the weekends that I don't have a market or a pickup, I've been experimenting. Recently, I have been experimenting with a brioche dough that can be the base for many delicious sweet pastry options, such as these sweet brioche buns and even donuts. I've also been preparing for the new season. Right now we're in summer, we're about to go into fall and then winter. And so to get ahead of it, I've been working on smaller sourdough loaves, perfect for like soup bowls. And so I've been recipe testing with different sized sourdough loaves. I've been making different types of coffee cakes, just so many delicious treats. It's been such a fun experience, and my customers seem to really like all the things that we've been offering the last couple of months. So looking forward, I do plan to share all about my experience at the market. I'm also planning to share with you a little bit more about Hot Plate. That's a platform that I use for my porch pickups, and also to share how my business has been doing, what my revenue has been so far, my expenses, especially like what I made my first market, as well as taking you on a tour of my kitchen to see how I store my packaging and all my micro bakery supplies, as well as my methods. Like, how do I get through a bake weekend? When do I start? What it looks like day to day, kind of like a day in the life of, right? So I plan to share a lot of great content with you. I am really excited about the business, where I see it going, everything that we've accomplished so far, and also to just take you along with me. Thank you so much for following along, and for my longtime My Bake Escape subscribers, thank you for sticking around. And I will continue to also post recipe tutorials. That is coming as well. Thank you for your support, and if there are any questions or comments, anything that you want to know about running a micro bakery from your home, put those in the comments. I'm happy to answer. I love engaging with you. And so yeah, that's my update. I will see you all very soon. I'll have more stuff coming out within the next couple of weeks. Thank you so much for watching, and have a sweet day.